Good morning guys, it's me again. So I'm going to make crab stick omelette. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need eggs. I add salt and black pepper, and then the crab meat, crab stick, and then butter, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and spring onions. Okay, first the butter. Okay, and then saute the garlic, guys. Okay, and the onions. And then the tomatoes and the spring onion. Okay, and then I forgot, guys. Okay, just a little. I just add just a little oyster sauce, guys. Okay, guys. This is it, guys. I'm going to set aside this one first. Okay, now we butter. And then we're gonna add the egg, guys. Okay. Crab stick. Stick. We just make two. Okay, and then cheese. I forgot the cheese. We need also cheese so that it becomes cheesy. Our crab stick, a cheesy crab stick na siya. Okay. Oh, look at that one, guys. Oh, okay. Wait, I'm going to flip it over, huh? Okay. Oh, it becomes like a little burn, but it's still okay. Huh? Okay, it's very good. And now we're gonna transfer it. Okay, here. Okay, guys. Or we can flip it over like that. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. So next, little butter for the second one. This one. Okay. I'm gonna add cheese so that it becomes cheesy. Flip it over. Oh. Do it like this. Mm. 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 Now we're gonna flip it over. Okay, we're gonna do like that. Okay. Oh, okay, that's different, guys. Okay, so this is cooked already. Okay, and it's super yummy. Other is a square and the other is like a half moon. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's our cheesy. We call it cheesy because I add cheese and it's become super cheesy already. So this is cheesy crab steak omelette. Okay, it's done. So we have a square. Okay, and then we have a half moon. Okay, so I'm going to taste it now. It's yummy, guys. There, this one. It's super yummy. So that's our cheesy crab steak omelette. It's super yummy. There's a square and there's a half moon. Okay, so it's super yummy and it's easy to make for breakfast. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.